Hi, Colin with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage we're going to be taking a look at our 6 and 18-inch Lightbar kits for the 19 and up Ford Ranger. Now, unlike generic Lightbar kits on the market that require you to make irreversible modifications to the frame or body of your vehicle, our engineers have CAD-designed our brackets to bolt directly to factory mounting locations using a thick gauge, powder-coated stainless steel. Now, both our 6 and 18-inch Lightbar kits not only give your Ranger a clean off-road appearance, but they'll also give you a significant increase in nighttime visibility. Best of all, they can be installed in the comfort of your garage using basic hand tools. If you're looking to pick up a Lightbar kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.